When you totally agree with another fan, plain yes is way too boring. Koreans have 3 ways to say so true. Let's learn all 3.
맞아맞아. 인정. 리얼.
You'll use these every day in comments and group chats, the second someone says something you completely agree with. One by one.
완전 공감할 때 쓰는 말이야.
First. Means that's right. Doubling it is like yes, yes, exactly. Warm, enthusiastic agreement.
맞아맞아. 완전 맞아.
Say it 맞아맞아. A friend says your bias is underrated? You can say it once, but doubled sounds more excited.
맞아맞아. 내 말이.
Another fan says the B-side is better than the title track. You've been saying this for weeks.
맞아맞아. 내 말이 그 말이야?
Bonus combo, right, that's what I'm saying. Means my exact words. Supernatural together.
맞아맞아. 내 말이.
Word 2. It literally means acknowledge or admit. As slang, it's a punchy agreed, or facts. You concede the point.
인정. 그건 인정.
Stands alone as agreed. You'll see the abbreviation in comments, same thing, just typed. Strongly agree?
인정. 인정 또 인정.
Someone says the choreography this comeback is the hardest yet. No argument here.
인정. 이번 안무 진짜 어렵다.
Flip side means nope, can't agree. But on its own, is a confident yes.
그건 인정 못해.
Word 3. This one's typed, not really spoken. It stands for real, read it as. It means for real, seriously true.
리얼. 이거 완전 리얼.
In comments you'll see just, or. Out loud, fans say or. It's the strongest so true.
리얼. 레알. 완전 리얼이지.
A comment says this group never misses a comeback. You smash the like button and reply.
리얼. 진짜 리얼이야.
Careful is very casual internet slang. Perfect for comments and friends, but you'd never type it in anything formal.
리얼. 댓글용 슬랭이야.
All 3 are casual. Is friendliest, is punchy, is pure internet. With elders, use or instead.
친구 팬끼리 오케이. 격식엔 맞아요.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Yes, exactly. Agreed. For real.
맞아맞아. 인정. 리얼.
Your mission, find a fan take you 100% agree with and reply, or. I'll heart my favorites. Subscribe, next up, the funniest reactions.
인정하는 댓글에 써봐.